Let's talk a little bit about why this pepper plant is wilting. Just a few weeks ago, it was actually doing just fine. Then all of a sudden, the whole plant just wilted. And what usually causes this is a bacterial wilt. Bacterial wilts usually happen because of too much moisture. So what we have to do here is, the next time, is make sure we correct the drainage problem. Because again, this area is actually poorly drained. So let's correct the drainage area. And we may need to put more organic material into this ground. Build it up a little bit so it will drain a lot better. So again, this is bacterial wilt. And as you can see, the whole plant has wilted. Because this plant has bacterial wilt, it cannot be saved. You will have to pull this plant up and throw it away. I wouldn't throw it in the compost pile, I just put it in the trash. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.